Introducing the Glassnost Premium Screen Protector for Vida electric scooters, designed for a flawless fit, ultimate clarity, and effortless DIY installation. First, let's prep the surface. Use the included alcohol wipe to clean the screen, removing any dust, smudges, or fingerprints. Next, dry the display completely using the microfiber cloth provided. A spotless, dry surface is key to a perfect installation. For that final touch, gently use the dust removal sticker to pick up any tiny leftover particles. No dust means no bubbles. Align the protector carefully to the center of your Vida's screen, leaving a 1 to 2 millimeter gap around the edges for a perfect air release and easy bubble removal. Once aligned, gently lay the protector down. Press from the center outward, allowing the adhesive to settle naturally across the screen. Use the squeegee provided to glide out any tiny air pockets, ensuring a smooth, flawless finish. Finally, peel off the outer protective film and reveal your new crystal clear, armored display. Vida deserves more than just protection. It deserves perfection. Protect your vision. Ride with confidence.